This video has been developed to provide guidance on how to view compliance task history and related reports, and how to add notes in compliance tasks within BSafe. For the purposes of this video, we will be using the weekly fire alarm test task as an example. Once you are logged into BSafe and have navigated to the location page, select the Compliance tab. The screen will then change to show the Compliance screen. In this screen will be displayed all the compliance tasks relevant to your estate. Firstly, we need to find the task we are working on. To view the history of a task, select the task by clicking once anywhere on the task except for where the Do Task button is located. The task will be highlighted in blue, and the Details and Events areas will load, which is indicated by the loading symbol. These two new areas of information will be displayed at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down to locate these. The Details box will show details of the next task to be completed. In the Events section, you will see the most recent task completed. Underneath this, in Event History, you will see a summary list of every other event that has been completed relevant to this task. In this example of the weekly fire alarm compliance task, this listed historical data constitutes as our fire logbook. This information may need to be provided to visiting fire officers. To access the report for an individual event, select the down arrow on the relevant date. This will load the details of that particular event. A report in a PDF document will be listed. Click on this to view the full report, and you will be able to print or save a copy if required. This same process can be applied for all task events such as fire risk assessments and location audits. You have now successfully viewed a compliance task history and accessed a report. The next part of the video provides guidance on adding and editing notes in compliance tasks within BSafe. Return to the Compliance tab on the location page. Next to each compliance task, there is a Notes column. Here you can add a note relative to the next compliance task to be completed. To add or edit a note connected to a task, select the task by clicking once anywhere on the task line except for where the Do Task button is located. The task will be highlighted blue, and the note screen will load, indicated by the loading symbol. Once loaded, scroll to the bottom of the screen where the Details area will be displayed. Any information can be added to the Notes box, but this is only relevant to the next compliance task. You may wish to add a note to alert a colleague, inform your line manager, or act as a reminder for yourself. For example, informing your line manager about a late completion of a task and the reason why. Once a new note has been added or a previous note edited or updated, click the Save button. You can use the Refresh button to refresh the page, and your note will appear in the Notes column. Once a task is fully completed, the note will disappear but will be saved on the event report within the History section of the task. If you wish to delete the note before the next due date, follow the same process to navigate to the Notes section, delete the note, and click Save. You have now successfully added or edited a note against a compliance task.